back to the clue. Today lesson will be about supply and demand trading. And if you're new to this channel, in this channel we master forex trading. And make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button and hit the notification so you can know the latest video. Talk about supply and demand. In forex, any market moves, price goes up and down. When the market goes downways, that means the buyer they bought it before and now they're selling it because the market is technically going down, so they want to take some profit before the market goes too much down. And when the market goes up, that means the buyers are starting to buy the market, so then it will take up, then it will regain again, and then it will go down. Then that means the buyers are selling it right now. So the point is that whenever the charts go downways, then that means the buyers are selling them because they will hit they will hit the stop loss. So they want to take the profit before they hit the stop loss. And whenever you see the market going up, that means there's some buyers getting into the market to buy the market. On the chart, as you can on the chart, there will be example right over here. On the chart, as you can see, supply zones that deeply heavily goes down. As you can see, the bearish, imagine the bearish is right over here, and you see the supply zone. That means it will go down, down, down. And when it goes to bullish, it goes up to up. That is demand supply. Price return. So from these, some of these price we got to control the price's movement. As like we should put the stop loss and the take profit and the correct place. You should not take a lot of risk and be greedy on putting take profit. As like you as the market is going up and up, like you thought the market will go until 100,000, it went 150,000. So now you will be risking everything and you're going to put your TP profit above that. So that is risking and greedy. Don't move your TP profit every second. Just put it in a safe place, in a place that the TP profit will be hit and you will get profit. And stop loss profit. Think wisely and carefully. Put the stop loss in a good place that you get a little profit but you don't get a lot of loss. End of the video. This is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe the video and like the video and hit the notification button on. And I hope you all see my video once again, and I hope you all understand the video. And my name is Ahmed Zulkarnain Gujar, and wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.